Dine and Discover program is the New South Wales government's attempt to revitalize the dining and entertainment businesses that are affected by the pandemic lockdowns. Dine and Discover, as the name further implies, it encourages people to spend free cash to local businesses. That means going outside. Whoa, going outside? Yes. Before we talk about the benefits of actually going outside and utilizing this free money to help New South Wales businesses, let's talk about the Dine and Discover program first. According to service nsw.gov.au, this program encourages the community to get out and about to support dining, arts, and tourism businesses. How? So all NSW residents aged 18 and above can apply for 4 $25 vouchers. That's 25 times 4, $100 in total. 2 of these vouchers are Dine NSW vouchers for restaurants, cafes, bars, wineries, pubs, and clubs. The other 2 are Discover NSW vouchers that can be used for entertainment and recreation. So all the cultural institutions, live music, and art venues that you can visit and look around. Which businesses? So only those registered as COVID safe by the government. When can you use these vouchers? Well, it can be used 7 days a week, including public holidays. So that's just the gist of it. If you want more information on the Dine and Discover vouchers, just watch this video that they put out. This talks about the mobile app that you can use to apply and find participating businesses that you can go to. So let's talk about the importance of this program. On face value, it's all about boosting the economy by increasing consumer spending on local businesses. The government aims to inject $500 million back into the economy. For people like you and me who use these vouchers, what are we gonna get exactly? First, you're getting free stuff, basically. $100 to spend on food and recreation. Who would refuse to have that? For some, it's not a lot. For some, it's a great way to have reasons to finally get out. Of course, with proper compliance to social distancing protocols, you can safely go outside. In relation to getting outside, our second point is that by doing so, you're actually preventing yourself from being cooped up inside your home. This will ease the feeling of isolation, anxiety, and most probably depression. Mental health. The recreation vouchers can actually let you go back to what you most probably do before a lockdown, and that is to have fun outside with other people. This program is somehow an indirect reminder to Aussies out there that maybe it's time to gradually return back to their normal lives while helping the economy back on its feet. And if during your visit in Sydney, you dropped your phone or you needed a battery change for your Samsung phone anyway, just visit Sydney CBD Repair Center. Hey, we can help you fix your phone issues while you help us back in return. It's a win-win. Tell us about your Dine and Discover voucher experience. Have you used yours? Leave us a like and subscribe to Sydney CBD Repair Center. Next episode will give you suggestions on places you can go to. Till next time, guys. Cheers!